Hello, my friends. I am popping in real quick because I am going to do a giveaway. And I am giving away this gorgeous March 2024 main kit from Hip Kit Club. If you guys are new to Hip Kit Club and you've never tried it, I really encourage you to leave me a comment on this video so you can get in on this drawing, because I think that you're gonna absolutely want to check out what we're working with here. This is great product and it's all so beautiful, and I just know you're gonna love it. And for those of you that are not new to Hip Kit Club, you already know what I'm talking about. I already know you love it, but you're welcome to sign up too. All you guys need to do is leave a comment on this video, and you have to be subscribed to my channel to win. I'm going to do a random drawing a week from today on the 17th. I don't know exactly what time yet, but it'll be probably somewhere around 1 or 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. I don't have that I don't have it worked out that far in advance just yet, but I'll be sure to let you guys know as soon as I know. I'll edit the comments of this video and I will, that way you guys can look at that. Not the comments, I'm sorry, the description of this video, so you guys will know exactly what time I plan on doing that random drawing. As you can tell, this is a brand new kit that has not been opened. The paper is not opened yet. Otherwise, I would go through it and let you guys look at this, but I'm not gonna open any of this packaging up, so that when you get it, you get the pleasure of doing that yourself. But you can see, I'm just gonna show you quickly kind of what we have going on here. These are rub-ons and they're fantastic. If you like butterflies, you're gonna love this for sure. And these are cardstock ephemera pieces. These are chipboard title pieces. Those are the titles, and some of them are large. This awesome, and these are big, chunky titles. And we have some epoxy shapes here in hearts. They graduate in size a little bit, and they have little polka dots on them. Oh, these are just circles. They have polka dots on them. I don't know if y'all can tell. So cute. And a set of alphas. Who doesn't love alphas? Well, I do anyway. And these are puffy alphas. They're so cute. So if you guys want to get in on this and you want a chance, just leave me a comment and be subscribed to my channel. And good luck. I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.